All right, happy Baltimore Buzz Friday. We are talking what's trending. We're all a little sad that we can't cheer on the Ravens this weekend. You know, it kind of breaks our heart, of course, for that AFC Championship. But there's a bright side to this Purple Friday.
Yeah, I mean, we're ready for football season to restart again. The team has released who it will face in 2021, along with our AFC foes. We're also meeting NFC teams, the Green Bay Packers, the Lions, and the Bears. Patrick Queen retweeted it with the clock emoji. Pat Ricard says the countdown begins. I told you, we're already looking at the clock. Needless to say, the guys are ready to get to work. And you and I were just talking. They also play in Vegas, maybe a road trip.
Something to look forward to. All right, we are sticking with sports tonight. The Terps, they are making history. The DeRose brothers are the first twins ever to get drafted into Major League Soccer. This is great. Ben heading to New York City Football Club. Matt heading to Toronto. And in the tweet, the Terps using the current trend, how it started versus how it's going, showing the baby photo of the pair. I love that.
Oh, their family's got to be ecstatic. All right, what's some sports without some good grub, and especially this time of night? Big weekend in Baltimore City. Restaurants finally able to reopen to in-person dining. And the Iron Rooster, such a great spot. They are welcoming people back by showing off 3 new items. They include Oreo French toast, a patty melt, and then the grilled cheese.
Okay, Oreo French toast I'm down with, but I've only had maybe 2 grilled cheeses in my life. So I can't speak on that.
Not big on grilled cheeses?
Not really.
You like soup, though?
I do like soup.
All right, we'll get you back on the grilled cheese trend. We'll be right back.